Hello everyone. Are you new and a beginner to AutoCAD and want to learn it in the easy way? So you're at the right place. Subscribe to my channel for more updates and stay tuned. So AutoCAD is a commercial computer aided design. That's why it's called CAD, computer aided design. And it was founded in 1982. It's a drafting software. You can draw plans on it, 2D and 3D. It's mainly used in 2D. For 3D, there's other software like 3D Max. So today I'm gonna show you in an easy way how you can learn AutoCAD. It will be a first tutorial just to learn the interface, and there will also be more tutorials about it. So this is AutoCAD. Here you can find the tabs of AutoCAD. You can draw from here. There's line. It's there's polyline where you could draw more than one line. There's circle, arc, uh, there's rectangular, ellipse, and you can move them, copy, rotate. So here you can add the text. Here you can draw by layer. So when you draw in AutoCAD, we will draw by layer. So when you will draw a plan, you will make the walls in a layer called walls, the tiling in a layer called tiling. We will see all this stuff later. Here there will be the block section, properties, the color of the layer, the thickness of the layer, and now we'll go to insert when we can import and create blocks. So we will see these in detail later. There's annotate when you can create dimension. Here are the parametric settings, the view, manage, output. So I'm not gonna pass by these. We're gonna see them later. And here is the command box. So everything that we saw in the tabs, we can type it here to save some time. For example, when we type line, enter, we can draw a line, or we can type L, enter, it's a shortcut for line. So we'll see them in details. For example, OP is option. We can change the option of our AutoCAD. You can see for circle, you can draw circles, rectangular. So this is it for this first tutorial. In the next tutorials, we will see AutoCAD in more in details. This is just the interface. Thank you for watching.